Hello, everyone. I'm Aton. In this video, we will be cutting a tourmaline. This tourmaline has an extremely high quality. It's a green color that I particularly like. This tourmaline is of FL grade, with very high clarity. Based on its appearance, it seems suitable for an emerald cut. However, we need to be cautious. Because it is FL grade, there won't be any issues cutting it into an emerald cut. The results will be excellent. Now, the table facet has been polished. I will attach the gemstone to a dop stick using adhesive. Softening the adhesive, I'll carefully align the table facet. It must be aligned correctly for the best outcome. Alright, it's now securely attached. After mounting it on the dop stick, I can begin the polishing process. After installing the 8 square hand, I'll first shape and refine the girdle. The girdle of this gemstone isn't a perfect rectangle, so I'll make some adjustments. Great, it's now shaped, and I've added small chamfers to the 4 corners. This will prevent the edges from chipping when worn. Okay, now I'll start polishing the crown. For the crown, I plan to create 2 layers. The first layer is done. Next, I'll polish the second layer below it. Both layers have been polished. The more I look at this color, the more I like it, don't you? Now, I'll switch to a polishing disc. I'll make sure it's tightly secured. Let's begin the polishing process. When polishing the tourmaline, it needs to be extremely bright, because this tourmaline has such a fantastic color. I really love this color. Now on to the second layer of polishing. After polishing both layers, we can see the effect on the crown. I can already imagine how it will look when it's completely finished. Now, let's polish the girdle to make it shiny as well. A gemstone as beautiful as this should have no overlooked angles. Alright, it's now shiny. Look at this effect. How beautiful is this crown? Now, I'll soften the adhesive and remove the gemstone. I'll flip it over and attach it again. Now, I've reattached it. Next, I'll polish the pavilion. This tourmaline has a common issue of being prone to breakage. It can't be polished horizontally as it would face a lot of resistance. So, I have to hold it by hand while polishing. First, I'll shape it roughly. Once the general shape is formed, I'll attach it to the dop stick and continue polishing. This way, we can prevent the gemstone from cracking. If this stone were to crack, it would be a great loss. Now, I'm polishing the top part. The top also needs to be polished to a high shine. Look at this surface. You can't see any flaws at all. Now, I'll continue polishing upward. Alright, it's now polished overall. We'll remove the gemstone and soften the adhesive. Take the stone off. Clean the gemstone thoroughly. I'll show you the result in a moment. First, I'll soak it in alcohol to dissolve any remaining adhesive on the table. Okay, now let's clean off the adhesive completely. It looks amazing. Even in this nighttime lighting, it looks stunning. Under natural light, it's truly breathtaking. Did you see that? Wow! Well, thank you all for watching. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to follow and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. I'm Aton. Bye bye.